In this video, this Chinese Jamaican woman educates Jamaicans about their history. So if you are Jamaican, you cannot afford to miss this video because she brings a lot of insights in this video. So let's begin watching the video and we'll talk about it as it plays. So let's watch it together.
Ministry of Education, I have a bone to pick with you. Why are so many Jamaicans ignorant of their own history? Why so much dunce people in my comment section? Oh my God, people, stop it. The Jamaican accent is not an African dialect. The Jamaican accent, like everything associated with modern Jamaican heritage, is in fact the byproduct of the cultural melting pot.
So she makes the claims that the Jamaican accent is not an African dialect. And I don't know why she's bringing this thing up. Maybe there are some people who are claiming that the Jamaican accent is an African accent. Now, in Africa, there are about 3,000 languages across the length and breadth of Africa. A country like Nigeria alone has about 500 languages. And one fact is also that putting all the languages in the whole world together, Africa alone holds 1/3 of the world's languages. So one continent having 1/3 of the world's languages. This shows how diverse Africa is. I think there are a lot of things that Africans probably would be able to claim in Jamaica rather than a dialect of Jamaicans. Now, you cannot talk about Jamaica's history without mentioning Africa. We all know that Africans play a very significant role when it comes to the history of Jamaica. There are a lot of things that Africans can lay claims on in Jamaica rather than just a dialect. I don't know why this lady is so furious about why some people are claiming that the Jamaican dialect is an African dialect and she does not hold that same view. Let's keep on watching as she reviews or tells us what she thinks the Jamaican accent originated from. So let's keep watching.
That our motto embraces. In fact, in terms of cadence, it's most similar to an Irish accent.
I've been shook enough now, to be honest, since the racing. A bit tired now and the legs are like jelly, but yeah, I suppose we did a bit of celebrating and did the podium thing and got to put on the podium pants as well.
You see, as early as 1656, Oliver Cromwell ordered 2,000 Irish children to be taken to Jamaica and sold to English settlers. The extent of Irish immigration to Jamaica was so prolific in the centuries to follow that 25% of Jamaican citizens can claim Irish ancestry. And this includes Bob Marley and Marcus Garvey. So if you never know, now you know. Again, out of many, one people.
I really like the way she ended the video, her last statement that she made, and that is the motto of Jamaica: out of many, one people. So Jamaica is a land made up of diverse people and even culture, as you can say it. She claims that the Jamaican accent is from the Irish ancestry. There were some Irish who came to settle in Jamaica. They were sold to English settlers who came in to settle in Jamaica, and they speak quite similar to that of Jamaicans currently. So she claims that because of that, it means that the Jamaican accent originated from the Irish ancestry. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. If you are Jamaican, enlighten us more on this. Do you believe what she claims or do you refute otherwise? Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'd like to see you again in my next video.